Este Saron con inetcomputers.com. Otro video para ti hoy. Another video for you today. Where do you want to go? That fucking Mark. Where do you want to go today, Aaron? You want a blue screen today? It's that time of the day when I've been outside getting vitamin D, and then I'm a raw food vegan, and I drink fruit juice all day, and I just fly off the wall. I've never had this much energy. That's how I get high. I don't need to, or anything like that. Alright, so Yahoo sponsored ads, another question from my YouTube channel. I don't mind answering questions. I don't. Otherwise, I wouldn't spend time answering your questions. I just get perturbed by the crooks that attack all content creators and waste your time. But I'm working on a solution for that. So Yahoo sponsored ads. This questionnaire from my YouTube channel asks, just asking, but do you know what, quote, waiting for na.ads.yahoo, unquote, is? And I immediately pretty much knew what that was. Yahoo has sponsored ads just like Google and Google AdSense / AdWords. If you notice on YouTube videos, there are ads. Those are AdSense ads. Bing, which is a Microsoft product, and Yahoo, which is a tech company and they used to have the Alta Vista up, they conspired. I mean, they meet in secret. I mean, they partnered to create almost, it's basically the same. It's just an ad network. Yahoo sponsored ads. So what happens is advertisers bid by keyword to display ads on third-party websites like my website, inetcomputers.com. And then you as a blogger or website host or your site manager or whatever, webmaster, you can earn income by displaying other people's ads, and they're targeted by keyword. It's almost the same thing as Google AdSense, Google Ads. Almost the same thing. I mean, basically, they're just two separate ad networks. You will see messages similar to this in your email. Yahoo also displays ads in their free email service, which I don't use anymore, but that's another digression. A caveat emptor is that sometimes their ad network times out. It sits there. You're waiting for your ashleymadison.com dates. You're on Plenty of Fish, and you're waiting suspensely, feverishly for your dates, even though your wife, is also even though your wife is also on ashleymadison.com on her tablet out in outside on the patio, yelling and screaming because her emails aren't coming in, and it's because she and you are both seeing messages like waiting for na.ads.yahoo.com. Now there are different messages that you'll see, but if you notice, they are going to have the yahoo.com domain or the ads.yahoo.com subdomain or the na.ads.yahoo.com subdomain. One problem is that they time out. Google AdSense also it's not perfect. Google also has problems with their ad service network. AdWords has problems once in a while. You'll be on a blog, and then all of a sudden you see these Google syndication messages at the bottom, down here in the, what do they call it? At the bottom of your web browser window, you'll notice messages like in Mozilla Firefox. You know what I'm saying? And same thing with Google Chrome. It tells you what website you're waiting for. Their networks have timeout problems, and that can cause problems. And then because your email or the website you are visiting is waiting for Yahoo ads, sponsored ads to display. And same thing with Google AdSense. So that's one problem that can occur. Another problem is that bastards, capitalists, I guess, if you want to spin it that way. It's ingenious, but it's insidious. they have found a way to install and ingest malware onto your computer. And what that malware does is it displays these Yahoo sponsored ads with their publisher account. So to try to make it less complex, there's two parts of these ad networks. You're an advertiser and you write ads, call to action, and then you bid by keyword. And then your ad gets displayed on these third-party websites like anetcomputers.com. Then that's how you can bid. I can advertise on Bing. I have a Bing account. I do run ads on Bing. And I run ads on Google AdWords for my computer repair business, and I'm an affiliate marketer. Well, you can also make money. So you're spending money. You're buying ads. You want more Ashley Madison phone numbers. And so you're running ads. I'm the best date on ashleymadison.com. And you bid 20 cents per click. So pay per click is one end of that. The other end is the display end. But you can make money off of that. You can even check this out. People do this. I think it's legit. Although I don't know if you do it I don't know. You can bid and purchase ads, and then those clicks, those web surfers come to your site and then they click on your ads. So you can just calculate it. Okay, I'm going to only bid, 10 cents per click, and then I will make 15 cents per click or 20 cents per click. So I have both accounts. I also run AdSense ads on my blog and on my YouTube videos. That's how I get compensated. It's not the best, but it works. And Bing and Yahoo have the similar, it's basically the same. It's another ad network. So you can make money displaying ads from Bing and Yahoo's sponsored ads, which I plan on signing up to possibly also add other ads, and in case Google shuts me down, or Google is very fascist. All it takes is they're very fascist. Especially, I don't want to talk about Google too much. Well, I do, but I don't want to digress. I digress back to this. So you can earn money displaying ads from the Bing Yahoo network. Well, it's not rocket science. Somebody was just like, oh, okay, well, you know what? I'll just infect all these computers with my own account as a publisher. You create content, and then you display ads, and then so it's ingenious. So they install malware onto your computer, and instead of somebody else getting paid for those ads that run, the perpetrators do. But one problem with that is, since it's installed locally via malware, it could really slow down your web browsing because it's malware. And then who knows how many ads they're serving. They could be serving a lot of ads that start slowing down. And then if there's timeouts, the malware is going to have to wait. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically the gist of it. It gets very convoluted and complex. If you've ever used Google AdWords or Facebook ads, it's just like Facebook ads. Although Facebook, I don't think you can. Facebook, you cannot earn income displaying, because that's only on Facebook's platform. But these ad networks are very similar. Facebook ads, Google AdWords, and Bing Yahoo ads. So that's basically how it works in layman's terms. If you think that you have malware on your computer, I would recommend that you run a Malwarebytes scan. But you don't have to use Malwarebytes, something comparable. And then, I wasn't going to talk about this, but there is a way to... I normally never utter these words. There is a way to not allow these ads to display as I rhyme. However, that would be bad for my business as a content creator, but, shh, shh, shh. There is a way. It's in my blog post. You can check out my blog post at my website, anetcomputers.com. And there's a popo, there's a Gestapo that just drove by. As a matter of fact, I had a customer last year? He started having problems with his Yahoo Mail. He kept seeing, this is another message you might see, waiting for comment.yahoo.com and pr.comment.yahoo.com. That, again, that's basically Yahoo's ads network. It's in there. They might use different domains for their email. When you're using Yahoo Mail, you get served ads. Well, it kept timing out, and his email was very slow. It would start to freeze up. He thought he had malware. So did I. I ran a malware scan. Let me think. Did he bring me the computer? No, I think he did bring me the computer. I ran a malware scan, didn't find anything. And then I Googled that message, and I found out some additional information, and then that's when I decided to not allow ads in his Yahoo account. He was using Google Chrome. I asked, well, could you use Mozilla Firefox instead? He's like, no, I don't really use Mozilla Firefox that often. I really don't want to use it for my email. I'm like, okay, all right. Well, how about this? How about we not allow... The B word is a bad word for content creators. Very bad. We want ads to run. I want ads to run on my videos. Those are AdSense ads. I want ads to run on my blog posts. That's how I get compensated for my time and labor. If those ads don't run, I don't make videos. I don't have time to sit here and, make videos for free all day long, or even a half an hour or an hour. It's not productive. There is a way not to allow those ads in Google Chrome, and I link to it. So check out my blog post for multiple reasons. You know what I'm saying? To get educated a little bit more about what this actually... It's legit. It is legit. Yahoo sponsored ads are legit. However, you must realize that that's not how the world works. The world is not perfect. You have clowns and crooks and criminals and, bastards that, will take advantage. It's ingenious. But for every, and like in physics, for every action there's an equal and positive reaction, although I do not like the reaction of the B word. But there is a way not to display ads. And it's in my blog post. And I link to, and then if you want to know how to block ads, these ads from Yahoo in Google Chrome, I wrote this other blog post to fix his issue, and the guy paid me. He paid me, what did I charge him? I don't know, $25-$40. It was an easy fix. A malware scan doesn't take that long. And then I was like, well, you know what? I'll just cut to the chase. After he did not want to use an alternative web browser, I'm like, okay, I'll just, not allow ads to run. And then bam, he paid me $25-$40 or whatever it was. That was that didn't take long at all. That's it. So that's basically what that message means. It could be malware, but they are legit. It is legit. And they'll show up in Yahoo Mail. And, you know what I'm saying? I don't know about Yahoo Messenger. Do they serve ads? They might serve ads. But, that's where they come from. I'm not aware if there are any hijackers out there. Now, yeah, that would be malware too. I'm just not aware. What I mean by that is you've got this ransomware now where people can circumvent and they can... I'm not aware that that's spoofed. Most times that I see that problem, it's really legitimate ads being served by Yahoo. I'm not aware that anybody has been able to spoof that domain. You know what I'm saying? But to me, if you notice that your web browsing is a lot slower, it could be malware or it could be the timeout. You could perform a system restore and roll it back to potentially clear malware or run Malwarebytes. Adios! Oh, if you want to support me, you need to tip me. If you want me to continue making videos, you can tip me via PayPal. PayPal me, my contribution form at my website, anacomputers.com, and or sign up to become a Patreon on my Patreon page. All of those links are in this video description. Adios!